Alright guys, today what we're going to do is we're going to tear the seats out of the gasser, front seats. I'm putting racing seats in there anyway, and then I want to tear the carpet up and check out the floor. I want to find out if the whole thing needs to be replaced, and if it does, so be it, or we can patch it up and make it good. But I'm leaning more towards replacing the whole floor, but we'll see what happens when I tear it up. Alright, we're going to use our impact here, our air ratchet here. I'm going to start pulling these bolts out of this seat. Alright, all the bolts are out. Let's pull the seat out. Alright, there she is. Seats are tore out. Probably should have vacuumed before I had you over. So anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this half of this carpet out for right now. I'm kind of forced to leave that seat in so I can move the car around until I get it out. But anyway, we're going to rip this half of the carpet out and see what we got going on. Alright, before we rip the carpet out, we have these lap belts here that we are going to have to remove first. Alright, this is a 1/2 inch in these bolts. Alright, let's see if we can get this one. I think the whole thing's turning. Alright, this one falls. Alright, out. Alright, we got all the stuff out of the way, and the moment of truth, we're just going to cut this first piece out here, and we're just going to slice right along the drive shaft loop and the transmission tunnel and pull this out of the way and see what we got. You already see we got trouble. So alright, let me cut this out. Alright, so here's what we have. Oh, that looks pretty decent till we get right down here. It looks like it's been patched here before, and that's pretty rusted, but I still have a good solid lip there. So yeah, we're gonna probably replace the floor from here back. Alright, let me get the rest of it out. All right, so here's what we got. Looks like a dent here. I don't know what from, but it looks like a patch. So, and more of the same on the mounts. I mean, it feels solid as can be, but it definitely needs to be replaced. So, now there we have it. Going to be replaced back to there. Well, we're getting a roll bar put in anyway, so we're going to put the halo around the top. And like I said before, a down bar here, then a door bar, and I'm not sure about jetting through the front and out to the front frame, but I don't think so. I don't think it's necessary. But that's where we're at right now. And it's an old gasser project. All right, here's what I found on this side. I don't know why they did that. I guess it was I know why they did it. It was a stick car at one point, but yeah, that's what we've got right there. So just another thing needs to be done. I mean, it's all going in together. So whether I do the quarters, or I mean the halves or a full, 2 halves, or a full, whatever way is easiest, it's probably going to happen that way. I believe it's too much going on here to patch. I mean, this whole section is nice here, and that's not bad. I mean, it could be patched. So I'm not sure. So, I mean, I don't know what happened there. That big old dent. That could have happened, I don't know, could have fallen off of a lift or something. You figure it's from 1955 the car was built. 65 years, whatever the hell it is, I don't know. So anyway, that's where I'm at right now. Alright, I'm going to take out this back piece. I know for a fact that they have metal over this, so I'm not really concerned with that. The new floor will come all the way up to here anyway. So, like I say, I'm not really concerned about what's going on back there. I already know because the trunk has been completely replaced. So I'm just going to pull this panel off. I mean, this black fur carpet, whatever it is, off of there just to get it out of the way. Alright, so here we are. We got that piece of metal over there. They do have this tied into the frame. So these bars are good. They have this tied into the frame underneath. So it's a post that comes across. So that's tied in. The only thing I got to decide whether it's going to be full floor or 2 halves. So I'm not sure. I'll have to see which way it's going. So I'm not attempting the floor. I'll do certain things, but I'm not attempting the floor. It will get stuff out of whack. So same guys that tubbed out my Dreamsicle, the other 55, they're going to do the floor. So I know they can get it straight and back in line. So that's where we're at so far. Definitely going to have to replace a bunch of it, but at the end of the day, it's fine. I mean, if I ever decide to not race this thing, or I decide I'm just, going to drive it around and take it to shows or whatever, it's nice to have the new floor in it anyway. So, all right, well, I'll see you soon, I guess.